Want to log out of your PolyBuzz account? In today's video, I'll show you how to safely log out of the PolyBuzz app in just a few simple steps. First, open the PolyBuzz app on your device and wait for the home screen to load. Next, look at the bottom corner of the screen and tap on the Profile option to open your account section. Once you're on your profile, look for the Settings option and tap on it to open your account settings. Now, look for the Log Out option. Depending on your app version, once you find the Log Out option, tap on it. A confirmation message may appear asking if you're sure you want to log out of your account. If you want to continue, confirm the action by tapping Log Out again. After confirming, you'll be signed out of your PolyBuzz account and return to the login or sign-in screen. If you want to use your account again later, simply choose the Sign In or Login option and use the same login method you previously used. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your PolyBuzz account. This video is made for educational purposes only, and the information shared in this video is based on publicly available information and general app features, not personal experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.